Let's go. It's about that time, y'all. It's the weekend, right? Right. Season them real good. Like, not real good, but real good. Before you put them on the grill, before you put them on the smoker, all of that. Now these bad boys about to go on the grill. As you can see, the grill is hot and ready. The actual heat is here. The fire. We knock this out of here. We're gonna put these bad boys on the grill. In other words, what they say? We're gonna get this thing. We're gonna get this show on the road. And you know the cook always think they gotta have everything perfect. They gotta have it just right. I can't take the credit for cooking the ribs, but I actually found them.
Cook these bad babies.
And if you watch my videos, I got these on sale at Kroger.
Yeah.
One slab was $6 and something, and the other one was $7 and something. So now they've been cooking for a few hours now. And we're going to check them out and spray them.
What them things looking like?
With this little secret sauce we got sitting right here in this little spray bottle with the little nozzle on it right here. And then we're going to continue to let these bad boys cook. Only for maybe a couple of more hours. Maybe 3 more hours.
Bad to the bone.
Because they're not on direct heat. It's more like they're getting smoked. As you can see. Let's hit these bad boys 1 or 2 times. And flip them over. And leave them to cook.
What kind of bones is that?
This right here is what you've been waiting for. To see what the final results of these ribs were looking like. I mean, the look is given, but the taste, they were busting. Yeah, they were busting. Meat fall right off the bone. You know how you can bite chicken off the bone? You was able to bite this rib meat off the bone. Thank y'all so much for watching my videos. Y'all have a wonderful day. Be safe.